Hello and welcome to the channel. I got this a few days ago, so this is just the unboxing. Should be a Gundam model kit. I don't know the name of this one. I'm hoping maybe the assembly sheet will tell me the name of this particular kit. Oh, it's a Stargazer. Okay. Oh, and they sent me clippers. That's nice. How are these ones? Oh, these ones also go off to the side slightly. Okay, I might use these ones. Alright, so yeah, this was just the unboxing, so it's a Stargazer. I think this is from Gundam Seed, but I could be wrong, I'm not entirely sure. It's been a while since I've seen Gundam Seed, so yeah. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.